Hi friends, this is Saili and you're watching Sugar Chili. Today I am showing you crispy and delicious spring rolls with hot, sour and sweet dipping sauce. This recipe is my family's favorite, so let's get started, but first check out the ingredient. 1 chopped onion, 1 cup chopped carrot, 1 cup chopped red pepper, 1 cup chopped yellow pepper, 1 cup boiled corn, 1 boiled potato, 2 tablespoons Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, fine chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup wheat flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 4 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, fine chopped green chilies. First we will make some spring roll sheets. Take a wheat flour in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon corn flour and pinch of salt. Now add water slowly and start mixing it. Don't add lots of water at a time. First we have to make a thick batter. When our batter gets smooth and thick, take out 2 to 3 spoons of batter in a separate bowl. This batter we will use for sticking the spring roll edges. After taking out some batter, now add more water. Now this time we have to make a liquid batter. Make sure the batter is smooth and liquidy. When batter is ready, let's start to make spring roll sheet. Take a non-stick deep pan. Now spread this batter in a pan with the help of brush. Spread it evenly all over the edges and it in the center. Leave it in a low flame for 2 minutes. And as you see that it starts to leave from the edges, it means it gets ready and it can easily be taken out from the pan. Our spring roll sheets are ready. Now let's make stuffing. Take saucepan and some oil. As oil gets hot, add fine chopped ginger and fine chopped chilies. Fry properly ginger and chili till ginger gets brown. Now add onions and cook it till it gets soft. When onion gets soft, add fine chopped carrots, fine chopped red pepper, fine chopped yellow pepper. Cook them for a while. And add 1 boiled potato. Don't use smasher as all pepper gets smashed. When veggies get cooked, add some flavor by adding soya sauce, Szechuan sauce and honey. Mix it well. Now it's time to add boiled corn. Add some salt to taste. Don't add extra salt as we use soya sauce. It has also salt in it. Mix all the elements properly and our spring roll stuffing is ready. Our both elements are ready. Now let's combine them and fry them. Take 1 spring roll sheet on a flat surface. Add 1 tablespoon of veggies and place it in the center. Now take brush and dip into paste and spread all over the edges of sheets. After spreading properly, take one side of this sheet and place it on the top of the veggie. Then another side. Now roll it from top to bottom tightly. Make sure all the joints get stick properly and our stuffing is not coming out. Let's make some more rolls. Till we make rolls, I keep oil to heat. Our oil is ready. Now let's fry rolls. Fry in a medium flame till all roll gets crispy and it gets some brown colors. It is done. Let's take out and put it in a tissue paper. Spring rolls are ready, but to enjoy them, let's make dipping sauce. Take half cup olive oil. Add 2 lime juice, 2 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, half freshly grated ginger, 2 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix it properly and it is ready to enjoy. So friends, our spring rolls and dipping sauce is ready and it's looking absolutely crunchy and super delicious. You can make some extra rolls and keep it in a freezer. It can stay for 2 to 3 days. Just take out from the freezer and fry them and enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching this recipe and hope you enjoy it. You can make this recipe and share it and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I love to see your creation. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss my new recipes. Until next time, take care.